Well, today we've had about 100 students with disabilities from lots of high schools around our Montgomery area, some from Montgomery, Tolga, Elmore, and Chilton counties. They're all soon to transition out of high school, and we wanted to try to give them some additional career information that might help them in deciding at some point whether it's a career in outdoor things and nature things like we talked about today, or in other fields, to try to better allow them to make a good career decision. So they're in the process of gathering information now, and we wanted to help with that today, as well as provide some encouragement through our guest speaker, who was a career coach in Tolga County. Did a great job with motivation and encouraging them.